Another day in paradise. Oh yeah.
Check out this beautiful herringbone floor that we just finished laying. We even did an inlay with herringbone in the foyer.
Oh, we got problems here. We have 2 hollow spots under our floor. Am I worried? No, I'm not, because I got a solution today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Tim. I'm coming to you from the beautiful beach intercoastal area in Boca Raton, Florida, and we're doing a herringbone project. And before we did this project, before we started, I told the project manager this floor was probably one of the worst unlevel floors I've ever seen. We had some videos on leveling this floor, but honestly, he did not want to pay what I wanted to get this floor completely perfect. We did compromise, met somewhere in the middle, but I was anticipating a couple hollow spots here and there, but I wasn't worried because I have a go-to product that will fix hollow spots. And today we're going to show you exactly how to use it. So without any further ado, let's hit it.
Alright, so we have our Fix-It floor we got on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description. This stuff will get you out of a bind. If you have a little hollow spot imperfection under the floor where it just doesn't feel like the rest of the floor, you can inject this Fix-It floor under the floor and it will make your floor feel perfect like it's supposed to.
It comes with a cap in case you don't use it all at once.
Yep. So
and then it comes, you have to cut the tip. You probably want to cut it as small as possible. And this screws off. And this is the real seal here.
So what we do here,
you cut the real seal off. There's a little try in there. I like to cut that off as well.
they actually make a syringe tip that you can put on this that's super micro hole. Like if you have a light colored floor and you're worried about maybe you don't have a bevel or something, you can get this syringe tip that screws on that goes even smaller holes that you'll need to drill.
Keep this nearby in case you don't use it all. It'll continue to flow out, but this will stop that process.
We always want to drill a hole the size of the end of the tube, and I like to put them in the seams and the joints on the bevel. Put them on the bevel, it works the best. You can experiment with the size hole, and then you squeeze it in, and this will flow under the floor. It'll spread out 6, 10, 12 inches. If you leave it in the sun and heat it up, it'll get really loose and go even further. It will come out the joint a little bit, but you gotta keep squeezing it and getting it. The further you squeeze, the further it spreads. Pretty good. As opposed to the other area that we're gonna do next. Look at that. See it coming out over here now? Oh, that's good, huh? I think that's good. Solid.
Little cap.
Put your cap back on. Now wipe it off and fill it. The important thing to do before you put any weight on it is to plug the hole. You can use a dowel, you can use a filler. I like to use the caulking or a wood filler. Sometimes if we're doing a bigger hole, I'll actually put a wooden dowel and then fill over the top of that. There's a lot of different tricks, but you got to get the hole plugged and then you can weigh it. If you don't do that, the glue will come right back up the opening. Once that filler dries, it blends in, changes to the same color as the floor. You won't even know it's there. We're gonna put a weighted bucket on it now, like the directions say.
Problem solved. And this floor feels solid. I'm going to put the links to all the products we use in the description. Be sure to check them out. If you got it on Amazon, it will solve any problems you have just like this. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out all of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood floor, laminate floors, vinyl floors, staircases, woodworking, you name it. I even have some videos on my Bernedoodle puppy. She's awesome. But please like, share, tell your friends and family, and of course if you already haven't, take out your favorite floor and mount and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.